Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new day. It is Wednesday morning, 9:50 in the morning, and it's probably in the low 40s right now. When we woke up it was like 30, 35 or something. So we are headed into town right now. We're gonna go have breakfast. And so I didn't vlog at all yesterday. We just kind of kept at least yesterday to ourselves and kind of enjoyed the day without the camera in our face. So so I'll create some content today, but yeah, we're gonna go have breakfast right now. And the fishing's been really slow. The flies have been horrible, and so it's kind of put a damper on some stuff. So we're still gonna make the best of what we have left, and today is our last full day and night, and we leave tomorrow afternoon. So if my lips look really red, it's because they're chapped, and I forgot my chapstick. I've been trying to put some cream on it, but yeah, they're pretty chapped. So let's head into town and let's go have some breakfast. At least we're gonna have some breakfast. Where do you want to sit?
Huh?
Where do you want to sit?
Good.
Huh?
Good. No. What's that?
Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new day. It's Thursday morning, probably a little bit after 8 o'clock. I'm still in the back of the truck here, but today is Thursday, so we are leaving, going back home today. And yeah, so I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how my setup here is in the back of the truck. I'm leaning up against the back or the window. I've got my 2 pillows on back of me, and as you can see, I can sit up like this pretty comfortable, and I'm still clear of the ceiling of the top here. So at night when I come in, I sit up like this for a little bit, just to unwind and look out the windows. I could see the water, and if the moon is full and it shines the light on the water, it's really nice. So yeah, I got my hoodie and my hat on. I just turned off the heater so it wouldn't be so much noise while I'm talking, but it's like 35 degrees outside. The overnight lows have been in the 30s all week, and so the heater has kept me nice and toasty in here, no problems. But so I'll just yeah, I'm pretty excited to go home today. Not that I'm wanting to leave camping, but I miss my kitties, and by the time Thursday gets here, I'm always excited to go home and see them because I miss them. So, and yeah, I just can't wait to get back to them. But this was a wonderful time away, and I didn't record as much because I wanted this time to be for us, and so I just got glimpses of our camping trip for you. But yeah, the fishing was slow, and the flies were bad, but nonetheless, you know. So yeah, I'll give you a quick overview of my setup here, and then I'll get up in a little bit and get the day started, I guess. Start packing some stuff up. Checkout is at 3 o'clock, so we usually actually stay until almost 3 o'clock. You get your money's worth that way. So, alright, so I'll turn the camera around and give you a little view of my setup. Alright, so as I'm sitting up, this is the window looking out the back of the truck to the left, and usually when I wake up first thing, I see the sunrise coming over here, and it's super beautiful. Windows are dirty, but so this is my view to the left, sunrise, and then I can see the water out there, and then the window to the right is the water right here, and this is our fishing spot right here. So yeah, first thing I look out and people are boaters are going out for fishing, and people are fishing out there. The perch run is kind of slow right now, but some people are getting them further out. But beautiful view anyway. And then this is my sleeping bag out to go out the truck there. So so my jacket, got the extension cord coming, and I put this board here to lay the heater flat. So I just lay it there, and it worked great the entire time. So this is the end of the mattress, and I got a little bit of space here to put stuff. So got my power pack, light, little snacks, radio, my little bag of snacks, which I have the Welch's fruit things in, and pistachios, my drink, batteries for my radio, and self-protection over here, and my glasses. So yeah, that's kind of my overview in the back of the truck. And now you see why I don't mind sleeping in the truck. It's a little hard to leave the trailer at 11 or 12 o'clock at night because it's so warm in there, and I have to go out to the cold to come in the truck. And I actually leave the truck cold. I don't turn on the heater ahead of time because with the flies, they're looking for that heat, so I don't want to give them heat in here. So that way there's no flies in here when I get in here. And it heats it up pretty quick, so there's no problem. I mean, I wear my hoodie or my jacket when I come in, and my winter hat, and I'm okay until the heater really kicks in. So yeah, no problems. Everything worked out. So yeah, I'm just kicking my feet up here. Staying nice and cozy. But when I get up in the morning, I just like to sit here and just kind of look out and take everything in. So yeah, this is me truck camping. And then our trailer, Glenn and Gypsy are in there. Glenn did not have a good time sleeping this week because Gypsy was too cold on the floor, and so she woke Glenn up. She would just stare at him, and he let her on the bed, and that's where she slept. So Glenn did not get much sleep. Oh yeah, but yeah, this is our camping trip, and we'll be headed home later on this afternoon. Alright everyone, so we are packed up and ready to leave. We are heading home now, but first we're going to stop at a Mennonite store and get some sandwiches and probably some snacks. Maybe some snacks. And then from there we'll head home. So we'll see you guys at home.